Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these are for your general energies, Pisces, and that Wisdom Oracle card will answer the questions you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, guys. So we'll pick 3 cards from this deck and we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. These are for your general energies and your work situation, and this is your Wisdom Oracle guidance card. So we'll turn the cards now, Pisces. Knight of Cups in reverse, the Magician, Seven of Cups in reverse. Pisces, with this card, the energy is that, guys, you are having a lot of inspiration today to do certain things about your life. You are planning your future and you feel inspired to do certain efforts in your work or in your relationship. So whatever your plans for future, whatever you need to do, you clearly know the way to reach that, so you are working towards that. That is what I see here. And you may be successful in certain things, certain path that you take up. You have that strong will, a desire and determination to go in a particular way to reach those goals. So that is what I see here, guys. With this card, you have that inspiration and you also see the way to reach your goals. But you may be facing certain people in your situation. They may be trying to trick you or involve you in some fraudulent activities. So you need to be careful of those people. So who are trying to swindle your money, guys. Maybe they are trying to involve you in some fraud activities in your work situation or in your relationship. You may have some common friends or your friends or somebody from your family or their family. They may be trying to separate you. They may be talking behind your back. They may be working against you because they do not like your person or they do not like you. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So you should be careful with those people. So let us see what are these cards. Sun, Dog, Cross. So with these cards, you are facing certain trials today, just like we saw with the previous cards. People may not like your connection, so they may be trying to work against you, trying to separate you or cause troubles in your relationship, guys. So that may be stressing you today, but you have that firm determination and belief in yourself. Or maybe some of you all are finding comfort in certain faith. You are a person of certain faith. You may be following some belief, so you are taking comfort in that, and you are evolving, guys, in a deep spiritual sense. That is what I see here. And all those negative things that I was saying, maybe people trying to separate you, people trying to involve you in some fraudulent activities. So you may be able to overcome all that, guys. So it is someone else. With this card, I see here that this person you are in relationship with, is a trustworthy person you can rely on, and they are really devoted to you. They have that great love and affection on you, so they are not doing anything harmful for you. But it may be somebody from your work situation or some friends or family. They may be the reason for the stress. So with this card, this is a very positive card here, guys. With this card, Pisces, I feel that you will be able to overcome all that negative energy that you're having today. Let us see what is the oracle's guidance for you all, Pisces. No place like home. The oracle's guidance for us, Pisces, is that we need to be comfortable in your own skin. So what we are, we should be comfortable in that state. So in our relationship or in our work, so the way we act when we are at home in this relationship, when we express our true self, and when that relationship deepens, when we have that deep understanding, and when it is reciprocated the same way, when the other person also feels at home with us, with themselves first, and when you share the true feelings each of you have for each other, and when you reach that understanding, you will be at home in this relationship. And even in your work situation, when you are able to relate to your work, act in an authentic way, you will know your business choices or whatever investments that you're making. You are radically accepting whatever is coming out of it, the results. So whatever failures or success, whatever comes, you have made that choice, that truthful choice based on your thoughts. So you will be able to accept them happily. So whatever comes, and you will reach success for sure, guys, when you make when you act authentically. So whatever you truthfully feel, that should be your decision. So that is the oracle's guidance for us, Pisces. We should be true to ourselves first. So that is the energy here, guys, and that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Pisces. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, Pisces.